The idea to create a lecture series is to help Ukrainians to start their own business and to help rebuild Ukraine after the war.
2 years ago, I lost everything I have before, and I want to make my own fintech startup. I heard about UCL entrepreneurship program for Ukrainian entrepreneurs. I decided to apply.
The program is in Ukrainian, it's free, and it's delivering on the evening. The program content include the topic like how to find the idea, how to develop your idea, how to build business model, and how to prepare the pitch. We conclude the program with pitch day. That means our 10 best team could share their idea in front of the jury members and investors.
After pitching my business idea, in a few hours, I received my first investor and my first client.
I think the best memory in all of the time it was a pitch day.
Now let's hear what makes special for everyone else.
Innovative,
Support.
Empowering.
inspiring,
Transformative.
Igniting. Networking.
deep.
Thank you so much.
Приєднуйтесь до цього курсу, тому що це прям дуже крута можливість реалізувати свої ідеї. Join us!